Define elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell below. On this video, I'm going to show you how I redecorated and reorganized my back patio. Yes, it was time for a refresh. So come along, let's go on this journey. Okay, so as you can see, this is the outdoor patio. This is a space between the kitchen and also the backyard. So we don't really utilize the space much in the winter, but now it's summer, so now we need to get it in gear so we can utilize it more. So the one thing we're going to do is just get it clean and get it organized. So we're going to remove everything off the patio and actually move it to the yard, or we're going to power wash it. Now the patio is enclosed, and initially we did have the concrete extended. So it's about a 15 by 14 right now. So we just going to take everything out, power wash it, and get it cleaned. Now when we did have it, the patio extended, I had my kids' handprint and footprint in, and that was done back in 2006. So now everything is out of the yard. It's so dirty, it's so dusty. Oh my gosh, it's like a sneezing fit in there. But we know what we got to do. First we got to clean, and this is before the cleaning. Now, as you can see, we do have a power washer, so we're just going to go through and just going to power wash everything down and go from there. So now it has been power washed. It looks nice. It looks refreshed. It actually looks pretty clean. We did put the AC unit back, but everything is clean now. So what I decided to do was get these towels, these outdoor towels, that they have them everywhere, and I will leave a link to them in the description box below. You can get from Amazon, AliExpress, Shein, like Amazon, every place has them. And I decided to do it myself. It was so easy. So this space was 208 square feet, and each towel is 1 square feet. So I needed 208 towels. So I just got this old, I think it's like a pack and play mattress that we had. I think the girls would just kind of lay on it when I was washing their hair. But I got that, and I'm just doing everything, I'm coming up with the design I wanted, and it's just so simple and easy. But you do have to make sure that your knees are protected because it is a lot. But as you can see, it's really easy. It really literally snapped together. So you can use a rubber mallet if you want to, or a hammer, but only a few times that I have to use something because it was just kind of simple. But it took me about 2 hours. And of course I stopped. My mom came over and I talked to her for a little bit, and I was in no rush. I'm at home and I was watching TV or listening to the TV. So it was just really simple and easy. But I do love, 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 love the way it looks. Oh my gosh. This alone right here made it look fabulous. I mean, I love this so much. I can't even explain how much I love this. I did notice I didn't really like the way this bar area right there looked. So I actually contacted a glass company that's local to the area, and they came out, and I sent them the measurements. I went there and I gave them the measurements, and it took just a couple days, and they cut the glass to fit exactly what I wanted, and this is it. I used that old wrapping paper, or that old wallpaper from that bathroom design, to go under it because I had the extra, and it worked. And I'm so happy. The guys were so professional. They came, they put it down, they even cut the wallpaper for me. So I can always change it if I want to. Okay, so this is the final space. We put everything back in. As you can see, the floor just really made the whole room look fabulous to me. I utilized my existing sofa set. I just have new pillows, or the new cushions that came from Amazon. It was a 9-piece set, and I used my existing pillows already. All we did was wash them, simple, put them in the washing machine, and we washed them. I believe they look fabulous. They look great. I have I think most of them came from At Home Actually, I think all of them came from At Home except for two. The two in the middle that have the orange in it. I believe those actually came from Amazon. But I'm loving everything about it. Above, I think most of those little metal art decor pieces came from At Home, and I think two things came from Ross. I just can't remember which because they're so old. And of course, I have the hanging lights. There's Simon's bed in the corner, and this is new. This is a table cooler, and I really love it. It is so fun. It matches everything. So this is I guess, a third new thing that I actually purchased with this whole refresh. And of course, it's all in the details. So the ice is fake. Yes, fake ice. It's all for decor. The beer is real, but the ice is fake. But whenever we do entertain, we can just put real ice in it and take that out. So we do have the AC unit. I mean, we love that AC unit. And then we have the TV, which we watch. And of course, one of the pieces de resistance is the new bar with the glass top. And I just love that idea. I can actually sit there with my food and not have to worry about sitting it on wood. And of course, like I said before, I can always remove the wallpaper if I want to add a different color, like if we wanted to really redo the space. But anywho, I think it worked out fabulous. It was just an idea I thought about, and I'm so happy I went with it. I may get a few more decor pieces for the bar area later on, but this is just, what we did, and I just wanted to kind of show you where we're at. Those are just some candles that we had added to keep the mosquitoes out and also for decor. But I love it. No wallpaper left behind. It really works for us. I'm very pleased with this project. I think it came out fabulous. All it took was some elbow grease, some cleaning, and the new floor. And we basically utilized everything we had and just did a good clean and refresh. And I mean, it worked great. The rug, that was existing rug that we had before, all we did was power wash it. And, we were able to utilize it. And there's Simon's bed. It's over there in a corner. So he does, when he's outside with us, we do let him use the bed. So anywho, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. I would love to hear any of your questions and comments you have. So leave them in the comment section. And also the links for everything, old and new, will be in the description box. So everything, I'm just going to put that in the description box. And if you have any questions, just ask. So thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.